This is Tacoma, Washington. Nestled on the shores of Puget Sound, Tacoma is known for its stunning waterfront, vibrant art scene, and rich history. Once a booming industrial hub, Tacoma has transformed into a city full of culture, outdoor adventure, and unique attractions. In this video, we'll explore 5 must-visit spots in Tacoma that you won't want to miss. Let's dive in. Number 1, Point Defiance Park. Point Defiance Park is a 760-acre urban oasis featuring lush forests, scenic trails, and breathtaking views of Puget Sound. Whether you're walking along the 5-mile drive, exploring the Rose Garden, or relaxing on Owen Beach, there's something for everyone. The park is also home to the Point Defiance Zoo and Aquarium, where you can see tigers, sharks, and even polar bears. If you're looking for nature and wildlife in Tacoma, this is the place to be. Number 2, Museum of Glass. Tacoma is known for its deep ties to glass art, and the Museum of Glass is the perfect place to experience it. This striking building with its iconic hotshot cone showcases mesmerizing glass art exhibits from world-renowned artists. You can watch live glass-blowing demonstrations, learn about the legendary Dale Chihuly, and even walk across the stunning Chihuly Bridge of Glass that connects the museum to downtown Tacoma. If you love art, this is a must-see destination. Number 3, LeMay, America's Car Museum. Car enthusiasts will love LeMay. America's Car Museum, home to one of the largest collections of classic and vintage cars in the world. From rare antiques to muscle cars, this museum has something for everyone. Interactive exhibits let visitors experience the evolution of automobiles, and special events throughout the year make each visit unique. Whether you're a gearhead or just appreciate history on wheels, this museum is a fantastic stop in Tacoma. Number 4, Ruston Way Waterfront. If you're looking for a relaxing stroll with incredible waterfront views, Ruston Way is the place to go. This scenic 2-mile stretch along Commencement Bay is perfect for walking, biking, or enjoying fresh seafood at one of the many waterfront restaurants. You can watch boats sail by, spot seals in the water, or simply take in the beautiful mountain backdrop. It's a great place to unwind and enjoy the natural beauty of Tacoma. Number 5, Washington State History Museum. Dive into the history of Washington State at this engaging museum. With interactive exhibits, historic artifacts, and immersive displays, visitors can explore everything from Native American heritage to the rise of industry and innovation in the Pacific Northwest. The museum brings history to life with hands-on experiences, making it fun for all ages. If you want to learn more about Tacoma and Washington's past, this is the place to be. That wraps up our list of 5 must-visit spots in Tacoma. From scenic parks to fascinating museums, there's no shortage of things to see and do in this vibrant city. Which of these places are you most excited to visit? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more travel guides and top destinations. See you in the next video.